So one night my mom had the idea that she needs a new bed. But after searching the internet for inspiration, she didn't find one that she fully liked, neither in her budget. We came up with a design that is minimalistic, relatively cheap, more on that later, and easy to build. This has all been done with only a drill. Basically it's just these 58 by 58 mm oak beams, bought and cut to length at a hardware store. First I drilled some holes in the beams to connect them with dowels, so everything stays in place during the assembly. This will also help with bent pieces. This connection is not meant to give any structural support to the frame itself. I am using a dowel jig that I bought for 20 euros, and it came with these pins that are quite useful to locate the exact position where the second hole needs to go. I saw people using simple pins to achieve the same thing. I assembled the frame to see if everything fits and is in place. After that I sanded some slightly uneven parts before I start sanding each beam one by one. The wood had some quite sharp edges, so I deburred them with the sander. My mom likes to oil wood, so I let that step for her. After that, everything was ready for the assembly. The inner frame was bought, but I would not recommend buying it. It would be way cheaper to do the math and buy the wood in a hardware store. The assembly would be the same, for at least half the price. After the inner frame were assembled, I turned it upside down, so the smaller oak beams are flush with the top side. After dry fitting them together, I saw that the top pieces from the inner frame are slightly too long. Another reason to do the math yourself. But that's a perfect opportunity to try using a Japanese pull saw. After that, everything fits well together again. One thing that we didn't thought of is that there is a gap between the oak beam and the inner frame on the front and the back, so I quickly grabbed some scrap wood to put them in as spacers, then finally start screwing the frames together. Now, only thing left to do is to attach some legs. It's done, and I like it. But most importantly, my mom does too. It's good looking and relatively cheap. The oak cost us about 102 euros, the legs were 20 euros, and the frame, if we would have bought it in a hardware store, would be 95 euros. So a total of 218 euros. For comparison, here are some similar beds.